Okay, we're going to do a test here of spinning the wheels with the motor controller, with the controller and batteries on the ground. So if we look inside here, we've got the motor bolted to the transmission, two big power cables coming out of it, and those are going to that motor controller, which is hooked up to four 12-volt lithium batteries. So we got these four guys as our power source. Our motor controller right down here, this is an Ultrax Axe 48-volt DC motor controller rated for up to 300 amps. That's actually what I originally had in my electric motorcycle. Simple circuit breaker, 48-volt to 12-volt DC to DC converter. That way we don't need a separate 12-volt battery, and a contactor. So that's really kind of our giant on-off switch. So to turn this all on, first thing I'm going to pre-charge. Got a pre-charge resistor here. So that lets some juice into the motor controller, but not too fast. And then power to this is controlled by a switch, and that'll turn the contactor on. So I don't have a switch right now, so I'm just going to jumper it and listen. And that click is that contactor closing, so we don't need pre-charge anymore. And then over here, this wire would normally be connected to the key switch. I'm just physically plugging it in to power here. And then there's actually down here a green LED. It flashes once and then stays on. That shows that the motor controller is ready to go. Connected to the motor controller is a 0 to 5 kilo ohm throttle, which is this right here. And so now if I spin this, our wheels should go. So I'm just going to do it real light. So now we got some speed control. So I could pull away nice and slow from a dead stop, or faster. And slow back down. Just give it a little juice. So there we go. Got it working with the motor controller. I want to hook this up to the original throttle cable, which is just kind of hanging under here right now. So with that throttle cable connected up, I'd be able to drive this, except that all this stuff is sitting out here. So I got to get those batteries to where the gas tank used to be and mount the motor controller up here inside somewhere, and I'll be ready to drive.